All right, so here you can see we got a stuck bolt, or sorry, the head of the bolt is broken off. And so now what I've done is I started drilling it. I'm a little off center spot, but we're gonna start drilling it out. Now I got some cobalt bits that I'm using right now, so I'm gonna put on put some elbow grease into it. Put it up a little bit. Whew. So I'm starting small and then I'm gonna gradually increase. All right, so a lot of drilling, but here's our bolt. Eventually broke free with the heat and all the beating on it. And then I just pulled it out, but our hole now is oblong. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue drilling out the hole, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tap it. And then we're gonna put our thread repair. So, see if I can focus on this. There we go. Am I too close? Yeah, that's it. Went right down the center. And then one of my bits broke off in the center, so I had to kind of go off to the side, but I eventually broke it free. All right, let's go. All right, so basically what you saw us do was you saw us drill that out to the 13/16 or 13/32 inch, which is the size that the Fix-A-Repair kit or Fix-A-Thread kit called for. So now we took the supplied tap and we ran it down there. I like to use a crescent wrench for it because it's a little easier to use instead of the supplied hardware, which you clearly can't spin too easy in this area. And then what I'm gonna do is I've got my Fix-A-Thread. Well, I had my Fix-A-Thread threads, and what it does is it attaches to this the slit in the top attaches to this guy. So you put it through there, and then it kind of goes through there, and then you hand tighten it in. And we're gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, so we're gonna turn this in here. Maybe. We're gonna put it in there until it's a half a turn below the surface. Now this is pretty pliable, so it's kind of easy to work with. So if your threads don't like perfectly match up, then we'll see. But So most of my threads line up. Most of them. Alright, so my threads didn't really, I started it kind of goofing up perfectly straight on, but I was able to fix the threads just by tapping it a little bit. And now I'm gonna make sure I'm in there. Yeah, it's in there pretty good. I keep going a little bit further. Can't really reach in there too good because of the but once the threads go in there, it'll all tighten down. You want to break off the bottom the bottom tang, and the bottom tang that I'm speaking about is this little part right here. And the way I just did that is I took a punch and I just kind of quickly punched it in there really quick, and it broke right off, and it landed down here on the ground somewhere, but that's not going to be found. So, well, maybe it will be, I don't know. But either way, it's gone. So now I can repair my threads.